Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day. Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Karim. Welcome to Micro-credential Learning Series. In this video, I would like to share about a topic on course roadmap. Well, in the context of designing online course or online module, before the student decide to enroll or join the course, they need to know as much information as possible about the course. So this is a landing page example of my own course here, ebook publishing for beginner. So when they come to this page, the first page they see, this is a landing page. Of course, they will see the title of the course. So we need to put a very descriptive title that reflect the content of the course. And we have the, the introductory video and some information about the course. In this case, this course is free. And then a short kind of like a tagline or a short description that really describe about the course, and then a more expanded description of the course, the learning outcome here, the learning outcome, the information about the instructor, and other things as well. For a course that take maybe a few weeks to complete, in this case, it is actually a short module, only 1 hour. But for a course that will take maybe longer, let's say a few weeks to complete, for example, you have a full like MOOC, then you might want to have a course roadmap displayed on the landing page. So for example here, this is one example of a course roadmap. So in this course, there are 4 topics, topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, and topic 4. And what are the title of the topics. And for each topic, we can see, for example, topic 1 here. So it will tell the student to start here, which give scope and content of the course. And topic 2 about understanding learning. And there are 3 lessons here. And this will give the background of the principles and adult learning theory. So lesson 1 is about how learning works. Lesson 2 about significant learning. Lesson 3 about adult learning theory. Topic 3 is about teaching online. So lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. And topic 4 about how to engage online learners. So there are 5 lessons here with the title of each lesson. So if I were a potential student, before I decide to take this course, especially if I have to pay for the course, I really need to know not only the learning outcome, but I want to know details of the content or the scope of the content that will be covered in the course. So having a course roadmap actually is useful, and that will provide more detailed information to the potential student or potential learners in order to guide them to make an informed decision whether they want to enroll in the course or whether the course is suitable for their needs. So that's about very briefly about course roadmap. And the picture that you see here, or the diagram that you see here, I just prepared using PowerPoint and save the PowerPoint as an image and insert it here. It's nothing fancy or nothing sophisticated about this. So that's all about course roadmap for an online course. Thank you for listening.